in the back. And while we're on the back, they really lift up the butt. So hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Ashley, and in today's video we have a jean try-on haul for my girls. I have 8 pair of jeans that I will be trying on, so this should be a really fun try-on haul today. You guys know I don't do too long on the intro, so without any further ado, let's get straight into look one. Okay, so for look one, I have these light wash denim jeans. They have these really cute rhinestones on the side, and they have the rhinestones in the back. And while we're on the back, they really lift up the butt, so you know I love that. Super cute. It's giving like punk rockish jeans. You know I'm 5'7" and I'm a size 7, so these are really good. They're good length. I do like my jeans to drag on the floor, but these are cool. I can still wear these as well, as you can see. If they look too bad, let me know. If you like them, let me know in the comments. I will leave the jeans in the description. I always do. I will have every pair of jeans that I try on in the description. This is what they look like from the side. They're really cute. I love these jeans a lot. If you see me looking straight, I'm looking into my mirror. But yeah, ladies, what do you girls think of these jeans? I think they're super cute. I will wear these with some cute sandals, a bag, some jewelry. I will wear a shirt just like this, and I will keep the scarf on actually. I like this outfit, but let me know what you think down below, and we could chit chat about these jeans. That is it for jeans number 1. Now we are going to go straight into look number 2. Next, for look number 2, we have these dark wash jeans. They have rips inside of them. I believe the brand is GV22. Everything will be listed down in the description, but let me go try them on. I love look number 2. Super cute, so tall girl friendly. They drag on the ground, ladies. Look. Yes, they drag on the ground. I love the color. They are dark wash, so they are perfect for the fall. They got the cutest little rips inside of them. I like that. So let's turn to the back. Yes, the bag is doing what it needs to do. They're super stretch, girlies. They're not too tight. These are my faves. I am in love. What do you think, girls? Do you like these jeans? I love. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Jean number 2, I don't know, but for right now, they are definitely taking the cake because I absolutely love these jeans so much. I love how they flare out at the bottom as well. Look. Oh. You can wear anything with these: sneakers, heels, boots. Yeah. These are so tea. You can't tell me they're not. But yeah, these are high-waisted. So if you're looking for some high-waisted jeans, these aren't it. Kind of like a little lowriders. But yeah, I love these. But let's get on right into look number 3. For look number 3, we have these Catch Me jeans. They are premium denim jeans, so you know they are good quality. But let me go try them on. For look number 3, I have on the denim Catch Me jeans. These jeans are super comfy. They have the 2 buttons right here in the front. This one actually is just for the designs, but they fit so perfectly. These jeans are definitely tall girl friendly, so I love. Actually, these jeans are from the TikTok shop, and these are like my #1 best-selling jeans. The girls love these. You guys let me know what you think in the comments about these jeans. I will have them listed down in the description. Yes. I love these jeans. They are so cute. I don't know if I said it earlier in the video, but if I'm looking that way, it's because I'm looking into the mirror. What do you girls think? You like? I like them a lot. You can dance in them, so that's always a plus. I love the little designs right here. I just like these jeans a lot. They are high-waisted jeans, so if you want to keep, that fupa snatched, these are the jeans that you would want. I'm thick, so my hips come out on the sides. It accentuates my waist. I love it. But let's get into look number 4. Look number 4, we have another pair of Catch Me jeans, but these are more of a dark wash pair. So let's try them on to see how they fit. For look number 4, I have the dark wash Catch Me jeans on. They're stretched, they're comfortable. I love the way they look in the back. They really lift the butt, as they should. They're tall girl friendly. You can wear this literally with anything. They're pretty much like black jeans. And you can wear anything with black jeans. So these are super cute. Ladies, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts on these jeans? Let me know what pair of jeans was your favorite so far. So far, mine is 2. And then in second place for me is number 3. But I like these as well. I mean, duh, who don't like a pair of dark wash jeans? But without any further ado, let's get into look number 5. Look number 5, I got these wide leg jeans. Super baggy jeans. So we shall see what they look like. Let's go try them on. We are now wearing look number 5. I love the baggy jean look. It is so cute. Yes, these are really classy. These jeans are so classy to me. Here's the jeans from the back. They're light wash jeans. Ladies, what do you think about these? They lift always. But not like the other jeans, I don't feel. Now that I just looked at them in the mirror. But they are still so cute. I love me a pair of light wash baggy jeans. They really are really nice. I will have these listed down in the description. Comment down below, what do you think? But without any further ado, let's get into look 6. Okay, for jeans pair of 6, we have some straight leg jeans from Muda Express. I can't wait to try these on. These are actually super high-waisted, so let's see how they fit. I like pair number 6, look number 6. They got 5 buttons in the front to really snatch your waist, ladies. 5 buttons is super crazy, but I love these straight leg jeans. They're tall girl friendly. I love the denim wash on these as well. They have like the dark outlining on them. So nice. But let's get to the back. What do you think? And yes, they always lift. I should just make a channel. I mean, every time I got on jeans, just know they're gonna lift mine. You feel me? Because duh. But yes, these are really nice. I like these a lot. And they come all the way down. That's nice. I enjoy that. What do you think in the comments, ladies? Do you like these? Jeans number 6. Super stretch. Could do a split. Oh my goodness. You could do a split, but I'm not going to do that because I don't know. I want to get violated. I'm trying to get monetized, okay? But yeah. I like jean number 6. So yeah. Let me know what you think down in the comments. This one really snatches you up and snatches your waist. So I could imagine if you had a belt on, what it would do. But ladies, let's get into look number 7. Okay, for look number 7, I got a pair of jeans from Paola Riboni. Dark wash, wide leg. Let's go, try them on. For look number 7, I have these cute pair of jeans from Paola Riboni. Okay, I got on a Paola Riboni jeans. Super nice, love them. Tall girl friendly, love that. Dark wash jeans, perfect for the fall and the winter. They have these cute lining in the front. This is the back. I can't wait to dress this up. I like the way these are fitting on my body. Super comfortable, super stretch. As long as I could do that in my jeans, then I'm cool, baby. Okay? But let me know what you guys think down in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I will have these in the description. So if you like, you can go purchase them. I like this is them from the side. Ooh, I know that's right. Yeah. So, like, what's your favorite jeans so far? Y'all gotta let me know what pair y'all like the most. Because I like these. I love all the wide-legged jeans. That's what I can say. Like all the jeans that's wide-leg, they got my heart. Send me some wide-legged jeans. PR. But yes. So let's get into the last and final look. Look number 8. And we will wrap this video right on up. Okay, for the last look number 8, we have these light wash jeans. They really remind me of True Religions. I don't know, the way they're like stitched. But let me go try them on and we will give them a test for ourselves. Alright, for the last and final look, we have the light wash jeans on. I don't know why, but I thought these were going to be too small. But they actually fit just right. So I do like that. I'm not sure what size I'm wearing. If you are curious to know, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, these are so cute. I love them. Yeah. These are the back of the jeans. These are like normal fitting. They are tall girl friendly. They're not hot waters. Thank you, Lord. So I'm putting all you girls on to, you know, long jeans because I know it'd be hard for like some tall girlies to find jeans that's not high waters, but these right here are super like, you know, they alright. They like a 8 out of 10 for sure. Because once you put sneakers on, you're good. If you put heels on, won't nobody know. But you all know I like my jeans to drag on the floor. Even with my heels on, I still want my pants to be long. So, but these are cool. I like these a lot. Out of my least favorite, it's between this or number one. And I'm only saying number one because number one isn't as long as I like it to be. And same with these. So out of those two are my least favorite, but anything in between, I love it. So let me know what you guys think in a comment down below. I will have these jeans in the description. But that does wrap up the video for today in a try on haul. Please let me know in the comments what you want me to try on. What do you think I could do to make my videos better? I really want to hear the criticism. I know I need to work on my background. I need to work on my lighting. These are things that I will get better with, I promise, guys. So just let me know what you think down in the comments. I really want to build a relationship with my subscribers. But that does wrap up the video, girlies. I will see you in the next one. Bye.